My phone is on 3%, but I'm very passionate about this topic, so I need to make this video. And that is the topic of being a sheep in today's world, in today's social media, in today's economy, okay? I want to give you a quick comparison between men and women online. For men, when you see trending things, they are doing side hustles, they're investing, they're making money, they are just trying out business ideas, right? That's what I see. When you go into the women's trends, you see the new bag I bought, the trending thing. Chanel raised their prices. I'm gonna buy it. I'm spending $10,000 at Hermes to be offered a $30,000 bag that I don't like the color of, but I'm just going to purchase it. It's these hauls, it's these looks, it's what I'm doing to myself, to what money I'm spending. It's always spending. And this is the problem of why everyone are in the rat race, why everyone is on credit card debt, spending money they don't have, and seeking external validation from items versus working on their confidence, working on their strengths, and improving and growing themselves. Also, by the way, my name is Karina. If you're new here, hello, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more content. But the problem with this is that women think, not all women, but I'm talking out about this because it's such a trend and I don't like it, and I want to make counter content to that trend, is that we get something and we like it. It's beautiful. We love to look a certain way in it, and that's great, right? But the problem is when we are only looking to that to grow ourselves. When somebody thinks that I'll buy this, but I still don't feel fulfillment, so I want to buy something else. I want to buy this because in the eyes of society, I look like I'm somebody. I look like I'm credible, successful, like I have money. It's all these insecurities that are marketed against us. We want to feel fulfilled. We want to look great. So what they do is they market all these items. Like, if you get this, you will look like you are a certain class. And that's not true. The reason why people have shopping addictions and they want to buy the newest trends is because they don't have something behind that gives them confidence. They don't have the confidence that their money is growing and will multiply, and they don't know the next time they're going to be able to buy something of luxury. So they want to save up for it and buy it, but they don't have anything else that they're building on the back end that could give them passive income, passive wealth, security, that confidence. They don't have that. So what do? They go and shop more. They follow the trends. They go and they spend $10,000 at a store in order to, given the prestige and the status, to be offered something that looks prestigious and status. Again, it's all a mental construct. It's following the sheep herd mentality. And let me tell you something that might change your mind. So I went to Germany, and they have this whole entire center of its outlet malls. They have Balenciaga, Gucci, Jimmy Choo, Prada, just all these big brands. And guess what? They are 50 to 70% off because they're an older season, a season that changes literally every season. So just because something is half a year older or 3 months older, it is already 50% cheaper than it is at a normal store anywhere in a big city. And people go to these malls in these big cities who are not millionaires, who are not billionaires, to them it's not pocket change, and they spend their money that they're traded their time for on these items. Let's say they spend 50 hours of their life to buy an item just to look a certain way, when they don't have any other investments, any business opportunities, any savings for emergencies, or even a foreseeable future of how they're going to make money that's going to work for them, that's going to sustain them long run, because we live in the world of instant gratification. But men don't do that, right? Men are focused on different things because they don't spend as much as we do. So we really need to think, okay, how do we get that confidence? It's not from buying items. It's not for looking a certain way. And let me tell you, because I had not a single luxury item to my name. I was an immigrant who was pursuing education. I was pre-med, working minimum wage jobs. I was saving every single penny I had to prepare myself for an opportunity. And when I started my business and learned a lot about the business world, I would go to events, not a single designer item on me. None of this, what you hear, if you buy this purse, you look a certain way, you need this watch, you need this to be, people will perceive you. None of that. All I had was what was up here. I looked presentable and my knowledge. And that is how I made my best connections. The smartest, the most successful, the most wealthy people, all of those I met just because of my brain. It had nothing to do with what I was wearing. And guess what? The people who are actually truly successful and understand that concept will not look at you for what you're wearing. If you have red bottoms or a Chanel bag, in fact, if you have those things and that's the only thing you have to offer, your reputation will go down. It is completely opposite than what is talked about online, like literally completely opposite, because it's talked about people who are not in the business world, who haven't networked with successful people, that are around similar sheep that are just going and wasting their money. That is what the economy wants us to do. But don't do that. Don't do that. Take your hard-earned money and do something valuable with it. Grow it. Make it work for you. Invest it. Okay, if you don't know what to do, if you don't have a business, if you don't know what business to start, if you don't know what career you're going to, if you're a student, if you're even just making minimum wage, you need to be investing. I'm so passionate about it because it is the only thing, especially for a person who is just getting into it, it is the only thing that is safe, that will give you confidence, is to see that money growing every single day, every single month, every single year for the rest of your future. You should be doing that no matter what career, business, student, whatever venture you are in. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, go to the link down there and I will show you for free in live format how to do it. You won't regret it. If you just want to hang out and watch, you will learn a lot if you just go to the link. Trust me, you will hear concepts that are not pushed around on social media and you will be shocked. So go check that out. But that's honestly my opinion, because I've seen these discounted things, I've seen these trends, and I know how it translates to the real world, and that is just not it. Okay, so anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Karina. Bye.